a what I eat in a day video. I think I did one of these like 4 years ago or something like that. A long time ago. Once upon a time, there was a girl that did an eat in a day. What the hell? I'm losing it. So, I have been obsessed with TikTok. I think so has everyone. And I see these what I eat in the day videos and I'm obsessed with them. Like, I love watching everyone's what I eat in the day. I don't know why. So, I did one on TikTok and then I wanted to do one on YouTube as well for you guys, for my cuties. That's what we're doing today. If you guys like these what I eat in the day videos, because I usually stick to kind of like the similar videos, and this one is something that I used to do back in the day and I really enjoy watching and I really enjoyed creating it, and it helped me choose better foods, you know? It just helped me make better choices with food and like encouraged me to like cook more. And I've been in this weird funk, let's be honest, like I've been in a weird funk and just like not really uppity and trying to kick that biatch out the door. That girl can go home, go away. So I haven't really had my like oomph to cook, and I really like cooking and I like creating dishes and stuff like that. I just haven't had the energy of the drive, and this helped me do that because I'm like, oh, this is just what I ate this day. It's not today, but this is what I ate last week. So just one day last week. Anyway, here you go. Good morning, everybody. I'm going to start my day with this drink right here that I got yesterday. It is a Pulp and Press Hulk, which is apple, cucumber, pineapple, lemon, kale, and spirulina. It's cold pressed and organic and made with 100% fruit and vegetable juice. It doesn't look that appetizing, but I think it's gonna give me a good boost to the day. Nothing like the sound of construction to start your day. Oh, yum. Oh, the aftertaste is like kale-y. It tastes like pure kale, like blended up kale. But the taste of it's really yummy. I'm just hanging out with Coop here. Hanging out with Coop, reading my book, drinking this. Good vibes to start the day. Okay, for breakfast, I'm gonna do a simple little egg scramble type thing with these ingredients. Hey. I'm in a rush, so I act like I am in a rush. Just throw all that in, scramble it all together. The spinach will wilt down, and some cheese on top. I just throw everything in this pan, girl. And please do not forget to season. Pepper and some salt. Just a simple ingredient breakfast. Partially because I'm lazy, partially because I'm in a rush, and it looks cute for the video, like all three. Just mushing it all around like this. It's just a big ball of goodness. Like a scramble, you know? It's fun, you can get your stress out too. Hi, it looks good. Taking it off, this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna throw it on a plate. There we go. Yum. Sorry if this doesn't look appetizing to you, but yum. Woohoo! Good. This is what she's looking like. It looks so good. I love like wilty spinach. Hot. Mmm. Yum. Yum. Okay, I'm craving some Starbucks and something else I'm craving, so I'm gonna grab it as I'm going to be editing right now because I'm editing a video to go up and then I'm gonna edit a vlog. So I'm just gonna be chilling and editing, and I'm gonna go feed those cravings, 2 of them right now. Look, I'm magic, watch me. Wow. Oh, it took a while. You know, my powers are a little bit lacking. Yum, you too. Yummy. Yum, guys, take a look. This is made so good. Literally so yummy. This, I will tell you guys what it is in the car. So this is my go-to drink this month. It is an iced London Fog made with oat milk and a caramel wall. Sometimes I get light ice, sometimes I don't. They were out of Earl Grey bags today, so they gave me an English breakfast, and I'm so excited. I just gotta go home and wipe off this lippy. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna eat it with when I get home. Let's try to take off my lip gloss. I'm gonna grab a straw. Try not to use throwaway plastic straws as often. Oh my god, it's so good. And then I got for my lunch, I'm gonna try to eat processed foods. Also me, I'm having a Lunchable. Also me, I'm 5 years old. Also me, I bought a stuffed animal. I was craving a Lunchable and I was craving to dunk it in tzatziki. I don't know why, so I'm gonna make each Lunchable sandwich and then I'm gonna dunk it in tzatziki. If you don't know what tzatziki is, it is a yogurt cucumber dip. Refreshing. I love tzatziki. I mean, I could have just made it myself, but I'm trying to edit here. I'm trying to like get my editing done. Most people might consider this a snack, but this is gonna fill me up. So that's what I'm having for lunch. I hate when people try to make, you know, what I eat in a day is catering to like everything is so beautiful and everything is like perfect. It's like some people eat a Lunchable and a Starbucks for lunch, you know what I mean? Bad bitches on the move, am I right? I'm just kidding. Oh, and I got the bologna one. Shout out to all the lips and bums in the world. My OnlyFans be like, This is what you get in it. Most people might be gagging. So I'm gonna build the sandwich, cracker, the bologna, and then the processed cheese that I said I wasn't wanting processed. And then dunking it in. I can double dip because I'm here by myself. No. That's exactly what I want it to taste like. I get the weirdest cravings. And I'll be like, I've never had this before, but I'm craving this combination. My first one to dunk Lunchable sandwiches in tzatziki. Follow me for more recipes. I'm gonna go enjoy this lunch. This is such a good combo. Oh my god, it's so like creamy. Hey everybody, it's supper time and I'm so hungry. I also want to say that I've been refilling this water bottle multiple times today and I've had a few glasses of water. I'm trying to drink lots of water. I just want to say like I've also been having water. So I didn't just have Starbucks. I also still have a little bit of it remaining. So I'm gonna have kind of off and on these while making supper. And I am making, don't know if you can tell, the TikTok feta tomato pasta. I've been wanting to try this for a while. I'm going to also do a TikTok on it. I thought this would be a really good day to do this video because I didn't want to do a whole video on this, but I want to do a TikTok on it, so it kind of like combines the two, and I'm so excited to try it. So it's apparently really, really easy. So I'm also gonna be TikToking it, so if you follow my TikTok, which is right here, you may have already seen this. So this is gonna be so easy. All you're gonna do is grab a baking dish. I've preheated my oven to 400. I chose 2 different kinds of tomatoes, these very colorful ones, these grape tomatoes, and then just the plain grape tomatoes here. Maybe not the moldy one. I'll have to edit that on TikTok. Yeah, good thing I bought another pack of these because I literally just went out right now. I was just about to make it. I preheated my oven and then I went back out because I was like, this is not enough. That is good. Perfect. It's looking like they're adding half a cup of olive oil. I don't know. I mean, you can't really go wrong with olive oil. This looks so yummy already. Salt and pepper. So cool how you don't need a pasta sauce and this just becomes the pasta sauce. Okay, now I'm gonna grab some feta cheese, a block of it, and put it right in the middle, but I need to TikTok it. Cute, look at it. Look at it, looks so cute. See? Some black pepper on top, I really like pepper. That looks so cute. So now that we have this, we're gonna bake it. Maybe it's not a big deal to you, but my pasta from Italy, like, whole box of pasta was like $2.60. Like, you can use any pasta you want. I really like bow tie, and I think this would look really pretty with bow tie pasta. It just reminds me of like pasta salad. I know this isn't pasta salad, but I like it. Sometimes I say pasta, sometimes I say pasta. I'll literally switch between the two pronunciations, so sorry about that. I think it's because I've always said pasta my whole life, and when I started YouTube, people were like, pasta, it's pasta. So like that's in the back of my head, so sometimes like just without even thinking I'll be like pasta, and then my roots will be like pasta. I don't know, it's a thing, okay? It's so weird that these are like the only ingredients to this. So I'm gonna boil this up and then wait for it to come out. I'm gonna use some of my basil plant here. It's, you know what, it's kind of dying, but I think I've sprung it back to life a little bit. Literally all these were like gray, so they're growing green now. I killed it, but I brought it back. You know that zombie life. I'm about to use basil for my basil plant for the first time, and I'm like shook about it, so do I just like rip it off? I'm so excited. People use like scissors. I know people use like actual like whatever scissors, but I'm not those people. Look at me. I grew this fresh basil like from the vine. Look at me. Doesn't get more fresh than that. Bye. I'm literally gonna use this all. Like, oh, this looks yummy. What happens if I use it all? Will it just grow back? You better grow back, biatch. Grow back. Grow, grow, grow. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm using basil for my font. I'm like, this is the best what I ate in a day video ever. Like, I made it. I grew it. Bye. I grew a plant and ate it. I grew a plant. Me dying. This basil looks amazing. It smells so fragrant. It's so different from like dried basil I get or like fresh basil I get in the store. I'm proud of myself. It's literally basil. It's nothing crazy. Put some garlic in there as well when it comes out, and then put the noodles in there, and then it's done. So like I said, if you guys want the full TikTok and the full recipe, you can go to my TikTok. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys what it's gonna look like, and I'm so excited. I'm so hungry and I want pasta so bad. Listen to that. Just listen. Oh, this is what it looks like. It looks so good. I feel like mine didn't get as creamy as everyone else's, but it's still yummy. Because I just tried it for my TikTok. This is what it looks like. So good. Mmm. Oh my god. I'm glad I used bow tie. Oh my god, it's so yummy. It tastes like fresh. So good. Okay, so I'm having dessert. That was such a good meal. I'm having a butterscotch pudding. I love these little things. They're the no-name ones, are my favorite. Or like the Compliments one. The non-brand name ones, they're so good. Well, actually, Compliments is the brand name. Anyway, they're so good. I love pudding. Pudding's like, if I have anything else, I'll let you know, but I don't know if I will. I might have chips in a bit. Maybe not. Maybe will. Maybe not. Might do it. Might not. And I'm having more ice water. Okay, guys, I decided to eat some cheesies too. So these are the best cheesies, no cap, 100%. If you don't live in Canada, I feel really bad for you. Hawkins cheesies are the best. They literally look like a circus. And that's what I'm gonna have for the rest of the night and do nothing. So that's all I'm eating. Other than a bunch of ice water. So thank you guys so much for watching my what I eat in the day. And if you guys liked it, remember to give it a thumbs up. And I love you guys so much. Let me know what you guys are eating today. And I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Bye!